So hey children, so hope you all are very much good at your home. And today's portion is about Moses and his 10 commandments. And today's portion is taken from Exodus chapter 20 verses 1 to 17. So you might have heard about Moses, and Moses was lived in Egypt, and he was basically lived with pharaohs. And when he saw Israelites being treated as slaves, he always wished to save them from slavery. He always thought that why Israelites was the one who always being slaved. And then once he has done, which made him to leave from the place he lives, and then he went to another place where he found a local woman and he married her, and then he led a life of a shepherd. Then while he was rearing the sheep, he saw the bush on the fire, and which it was God, and God said to him to save people of Israel from slavery and bring them to the promised land, which God has thought of giving to them. And then he had trust upon God, and then later on we can see how Moses has helped the Israelites to escape out from Pharaoh. So we have learned how Moses has divided the Red Sea and what was the cause of it in the previous lessons, and we also made activities based on it, which was actually good, which you made was actually good. And then now we can see about what has happened after that. So after that, when Moses was they were walking in the desert to reach the promised land, and everyone has lost their patience, and they started they have started getting irritated to what Moses have said, and they have confront Moses that we have been walking so far and we haven't reached the promised land. So when we'll be going to reach? Every people who had joined us have now dead, and we have nothing to eat, we have nothing to drink, so we are starving to death. In Egypt we've only been slave, but we have everything to eat and drink, and you are making us die over in the desert. So this made Moses very much sad, and Moses has said to them, I'm very much sad because you people doesn't have trust upon God. First, what we should have trust upon God. Then we can see that they have been given the sweet bread called manna from heaven, and they also have given the water from the rock to get relief from their thirst. So this all we can see. And then they have walked and reached at the foot of Mount Sinai. And then Moses has told them to just take rest over the foot of the mountains, and he had gone towards the mountain, and he has taken 40 days and 40 nights to talk to God. And then what God has given him a stone tablet in which the 10 commandments was implanted. And then the 10 commandments God has asked Moses to give this to the Israelites, and that was the laws that they should obey, and in turn they will be given the land to live in, and God has promised them to save from their enemies. And you might be curious to know what are the 10 commandments that was written in that stone tablet. And that stone tablet, there were 10 commandments which says that worship no other God, only me, and don't ever make any idols. So it says that you should only worship God and not any other idols, and don't worship air, don't worship water, such that. So only worship God. Then the other commandment was do not misuse his name. And the third command was keep the Sabbath day holy. What is meant by Sabbath day? There was 6 days, and over 6 days we will be working, and the 7th day we take rest. That was given to God, and none should work at that time. And then it says respect your father and mother. And then the law was do not kill anyone, do not be immoral, do not steal, do not witness falsely against anyone, do not desire anyone's things. So this was the 10 commandments that God has given to Moses so that the Israel people should obey it. So this was all about the 10 commandments and about Moses. So now we can move on to the activities where we are going to make those 10 commandments, and you children should study those 10 commandments. Thank you. Which is the activity of you children today. So you have to turn the circle so you can see the 10 commandments.